Is localized authentication orchestration pathing failed due to the Auth library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's repair your internal links and get you back to work. Before diving into the manual fix for Auth library, note the official maintenance resource linked below for system synchronization. This is the Auth library, a generic authentication library module, frequently used by third-party software to manage unmanaged localized login routines and facilitate secure credential data link verification against proprietary servers. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. Because Auth library DLL is specific to the Localized Authentication Orchestration Runtime Environment standard, Windows repairs won't work, and you should use the official installer for your primary program where the error occurs to refresh the application and restore the file. In cases where the official installer remains ineffective, we must escalate to a manual review of your system's active runtime state. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the Auth library file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. With the restart confirmed as ineffective for this instance, let's analyze the registry settings next. If you need to pause the video while navigating the registry editor, feel free. Restarting didn't fix the underlying corruption, so now we'll run a command to repair the Windows component store. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism /online /cleanup -image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces a fresh download of official system components to resolve deep-seated corruption that standard local repairs cannot fix. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. Keep in mind that Auth library DLL must be properly registered with the Windows registry. Simply dragging and dropping the file into a folder rarely fixes the root cause of the error. As an alternative to frequent manual checks, a secure maintenance utility can help keep your system environment on track. If registry organization or initialization timing is a concern, the diagnostic information below references Auth library management. Thank you for watching. To continue receiving professional-grade solutions for Auth library and other PC errors, please subscribe to our support community.